House of Commons. The heart of UK democracy, the House of Commons is the elected chamber of the UK Parliament and plays a central role in making laws, debating policies, and holding the government accountable. It is more powerful than the House of Lords and serves as the primary decision-making body in the United Kingdom. Composition. 650 MPs representing the nation. 650 MPs elected. Members of Parliament are elected from 650 constituencies across the UK, each representing a specific geographical area. General elections. MPs are elected by the public in general elections held every 5 years, unless Parliament decides otherwise. Public representation. Each MP serves their constituency's interests, such as Rishi Sunak representing Richmond, North Yorkshire. Political parties and the Speaker. Main political parties. The House of Commons is dominated by political parties that shape government and opposition. Conservative Party, currently in government. Labour Party, main opposition. Liberal Democrats, Scottish National Party, SNP, Green Party, and others. In the 2019 general election, the Conservative Party won a majority, allowing them to form the government. The Speaker's role. The Speaker of the House of Commons controls debates and ensures rules are followed. The Speaker remains neutral and does not vote, except in a tie. Sir Lindsay Hoyle has served as Speaker since 2019. Core functions of the House of Commons. Making laws. The Commons proposes, debates, amends, and votes on new laws. Once approved, bills go to the House of Lords for review, but the Commons has the final say. Controlling spending. The government must get approval from the Commons for its annual budget. MPs review and approve taxation and public spending decisions. Scrutinizing government. MPs question ministers, hold debates, and investigate policies to ensure the government acts in the public's best interest through regular oversight. Lawmaking process and action. Proposal. Bills are introduced and debated by MPs in the Commons chamber. Amendment. MPs review, discuss, and propose changes to improve legislation. Vote. The Commons votes to approve or reject the proposed law. Lords review. Bills proceed to the House of Lords for further examination. Royal assent. Once approved, the bill becomes law with royal assent. The Brexit Withdrawal Agreement Act, 2020, exemplifies this process, passing through the Commons before becoming law and reshaping the UK's relationship with the European Union. Prime Minister's questions. Accountability in action. Prime Minister's questions, PMQs, is a weekly session where the Prime Minister answers MPS questions, providing direct accountability to Parliament. This tradition ensures the government's leader faces regular scrutiny from elected representatives. During the COVID-19 pandemic, MPs questioned the Prime Minister and Health Secretary about lockdown measures, testing capacity, and vaccine rollout strategies. These sessions demonstrated Parliament's vital role in holding government accountable during national crises. Representing constituent voices, direct representation. MPs speak on behalf of their constituents' concerns and raise issues affecting the public in parliamentary debates and committees. Constituency casework. Constituents can contact their MP to discuss problems like healthcare, education, housing, or local development projects requiring attention. Campaigning for change. An MP may campaign for better hospitals, improved transport links, or increased funding in their area if voters demand action on local issues. Holding government accountable. Vote of no confidence. If a government loses the confidence of Parliament, MPs can call a vote of no confidence. If the government loses, a new general election may be held, allowing voters to choose new leadership. In 1979, Prime Minister James Callaghan's government lost a no-confidence vote by just one vote, leading to a general election that brought Margaret Thatcher to power. House of Commons versus House of Lords. Feature. House of Commons, House of Lords. Election. Elected by the public. Appointed, not elected. Power. More powerful, less powerful. Lawmaking. Can bypass Lords if necessary. Can delay, but not stop laws. Government formation. Forms the government, does not form government. The House of Lords can suggest changes to a law, but the Commons can reject those changes and pass the law anyway, demonstrating the elected chamber's ultimate authority in the legislative process. The Commons, center of UK democracy, most powerful chamber. The House of Commons is the most powerful part of the UK Parliament, with ultimate authority over legislation. Legislative authority. It makes laws, controls government spending, and holds the Prime Minister accountable to the people. Public interest. MPs represent the public's interests and ensure the government remains responsible and responsive. Democratic balance. The Commons dominates the Lords, making it the true center of UK politics and democratic governance.